Okay, ma'am, dito tayo. Tabihan niyo ako ba? Alright, at syempre si ma'am, dito po tayo. Alright guys, before we start, Daniel, syempre kilalanin natin ating dalawang bisita. Nahin natin si ma'am. Introduce yourself, what is your name, and where are you from? Oh. Okay, si Ma'am Jenny from Athena. Guys, palapakan po natin, folks. How about you, ma'am? What is your name, and where are you from? Si Ma'am Regine. Regine. Si Ma'am Regine from Abdo. Sige nga rin, ma'am, guys. Okay, now. Girls, are you ready? Both taga Davao City, guys. Okay, now, girls. Meet our Gentle Giants, eh? There you go. Okay, once again, folks, this is our Gentle Giants. Having a Burmese fight of this scientific game of fighting beauty tattoos. They are the third largest fish snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So, Bella Daniel here is weighing about nasa 8 kilograms. So, medyo mabigat-bigat talaga na silang dalawa, guys. Sino unahin natin sila? Okay, dito na si Ma'am. Pagkatina, dito tayo, Ma'am. Okay, Ma'am, sino kasama natin ngayong hapon? Oy, asa kasama ni Ma'am? Taas ka, Ma'am. Oy, Ma'am. Oy, Tora, si Sir. Take us beautiful photos for her, please. Pangmali lang ni Ma'am sa Facebook, pang Instagram. Ma'am, show your Valentina post. Pwede kang rumampa dyan, Ma'am. Picture taking tayo. Okay, relax ka lang. Ma'am, gumagalaw talaga yan, Ma'am, kasi buhay po. Okay, ayan na. Alright, sa picture natin, sir. Okay, ayan. Next one. Smile ka lang, Ma'am. Okay, and we should be good na lang, Kuya Chimar. Pwede na natin kunin, Kuya Chimar. Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am, for participating. Ma'am, you can say back here sa mga. Palagpakan po natin si Ma'am, guys. Ito naman si Ma'am from Abdao. Ma'am, sino kasama natin ngayong hapon? Family. Asan sino family? Taas kamay. Family! Oh, hello, family. Mabuhay pa rin family. Family, may gift ako para kayo. Okay, now family, thank you sa beautiful photos para kay Ma'am. Please, Ma'am, don't you worry. Non-venomous naman po ang ating mga ahas, so hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. But they are constrictor, meaning sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ng buo at mukhang gutom po si Daniel at si Piolo ngayong hapon, Ma'am. Take off lang. Family again, take out sa beautiful photos for her, please, okay?